Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Windows setting. This one cannot open or a closes immediately. So you can set or adjust your system. So for example, if you making change on your PC or your laptop in Windows settings, the settings page will close immediately or hang or even freezing. So you can fix it by using command prompt. You can type cmd and then run as administrator. Here you can type sfc scan now. Sorry, sfc hashtag scan now. So beginning system scan, this process will take some time, so you have to wait. And the system or this command prompt will fix their corrupted system files or another even can replace a files that corrupted. So maybe this can help you. And also after this complete, you can restart your computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.